Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jump start Hyundai Kona. First, park both vehicles on level ground and set the parking brakes, then open the hoods and locate the 12-volt battery on both cars. Inspect the terminals for corrosion and clean gently with a brush if needed. Make sure both ignition switches are off and all accessories are unplugged before you connect any cables, for safety and smoother starting. Now connect the jumper cables in the correct order to avoid sparks and damage. Start by attaching the red clamp to the positive terminal on the dead battery, then connect the other red clamp to the donor battery positive. Next, attach a black clamp to the donor battery negative, and finally attach the last black clamp to a solid metal ground on the Kona away from the battery. Double-check all connections are secure before starting the donor vehicle. With cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let it idle for a few minutes to transfer charge to the Kona. Try starting the Kona while the donor runs. If it starts, wait a minute before removing cables to stabilize voltage. Remove cables in reverse order: black ground, donor negative, donor positive, dead battery positive. Afterward, keep your Kona running or drive for 20 minutes to ensure the battery regains sufficient charge.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.